Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check and manage connected accounts on your X Twitter account. If you want to see which apps or services are linked to your account and remove anything you don't trust, this guide will help you do it bisuhula. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your App Store and search for X. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated the app, open X and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, tap on Security and Account Access. Then tap on Apps and Sessions. Here, you will see all the connected apps linked to your account. You can tap on any app and easily remove or unlink it if you don't want it connected anymore. And that's it! If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.